So in strategy number 11, I am going to discuss with you two strategies. One is specially for Indian traders and second, anyone can use it. So first I am going to discuss with you strategy specially for Indian traders, and that is called as 12 PM strategy. Now if you remember, previously I have discussed with you a strategy called as 6C strategy, and I told you that this 6C strategy is one of my personal favorite strategy, right? In 6C strategy, what we were doing, we were seeing the sixth candle of the day. We were marking the high and we were marking the low of that sixth candle. We were patiently waiting for the breakout, which could have occurred in either direction. And once the breakout occurs, we will enter on the candle which breaks the low or which breaks the high of the breakout candle. So that was the concept regarding 6C strategy. I hope you remember that strategy. If not, please go back to 6C strategy, which is the sixth strategy, and you will understand the concept very clearly. And regarding 12 PM strategy, the concept is very much similar to 6C strategy, but the only difference is that in this particular strategy, we are going to see the 12 PM candle of the day instead of sixth candle. That is the only difference, okay? So what we are going to do, we are going to see the 12 PM candle of the day. We will mark the high and we will mark the low of this 12 PM candle. We will wait for the breakout, which can occur in either direction. It can either occur upside or it can either occur downside. And once the breakout occurs, we will enter on the candle which breaks the high or which breaks the low of the breakout candle. So this is the concept for 12 PM strategy. And if you understood the 6C strategy, this strategy will be very easy to understand. Okay, so let us see more details regarding this 12 PM strategy. And as I told you, 12 PM strategy is only for Indian traders. And what we are going to do, we are going to mark the high and low of 12 PM candle of the day. High is going to act as a resistance and low is going to act as a support. What next? Wait for the breakout, which can occur in either direction. As I told you, once the breakout occurs, enter on the candle which breaks the high or low of the breakout candle. So this is how we are going to trade, and it is very easy to understand and it is very simple to execute. Okay, this strategy is very easy to understand. Just we need to see the 12 PM candle of the day. We need to mark the high, we need to mark the low. High is going to act as a resistance, low is going to act as a support, and then we need to patiently wait for the breakout, which can occur either on the upside or it can occur on the downside. Okay, once the breakout occurs, enter on the candle which breaks the high or low of the breakout candle. So this is the concept. Okay, 12 PM strategy works very well in trending market, and I suggest you that use this strategy only when the market is trending, because in sideways market it gives lots of false signals. This particular strategy works well in trending market, but in sideways market, that is if the market is having no direction or it is just in a range, okay, it is trading in a range, at that time 12 PM strategy gives lots of false signal, and it is recommended that you use this strategy in trending market. Avoid this strategy if the market is in sideways. Okay, so I recommend you and I suggest you that use this particular strategy in trending market. If the market is trending, okay, if the market is having a good direction, it can either occur upside or it can occur in the downside. Okay, the market should have a clear direction. At that time, this strategy will work very well. But if the market is choppy or if the market is just trading in a range, it is having no direction at all, at that time there is a risk that this particular strategy is going to give you false signal. Okay, so I hope you understood the concept of 12 PM strategy, and next we are going to backtest this particular strategy on charts and you will understand the concept very clearly. Okay, so see you in the next lecture where we are going to backtest this particular strategy.